What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video here, and today I can actually record. It's actually better for me now, actually. Yep. Okay. Let's rock. Let's see. First we need a key card. Where can we find one? Let me see. Can I see if I can find a key card, YouTube? Let's see. Let us see. Whatever. Oh. Okay, we can find a key card. What am I saying? A key card, okay? I can't find one, so we're just gonna try to locate one. The volume's off right now. Let me turn it on. Never mind. Whee! Oh, nice. I thought it was gonna take us somewhere else. Whee! Got webcam. Oh. Luckily that cop didn't get us.
They say that I am the same. Saying, don't take the risk, boy. Waiting night under my bed. On the east side of America. Music at the time, my stereo. Just listening inside. Oh my god. This is I come on my side of America. When they spin lights to carry us. Never keep inside. This is us. This is us. This is.
Let's go to the bank, guys. Uh-oh. There we go. I suck at listening, guys. Oh my. This is bad. Oh, wait. Just jumped out to see the couples. Oh my goodness.
On the east side of America, there's a car carried out on the east side. This is on the west side of America, where they spin light out, and we can big side, but this is us, this is us, this is. Don't believe the narcissism when everyone projects them. Make no mistake, I've been a prison. That I built myself in my religion. They say that I am
just gonna have to wait till 10,
say,
but
don't take the risk, boy.
it's not gonna
Welcome to the narcissism.
Hold on, let's go.
Where united under violent difference. On the east side of America, only sensitized by hysteria. Being big size, this is us, this is us.
Lagging! Oh my gosh, I'm lagging super bad. Okay, yeah.
Being big size, this is
I was just gonna do like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna just stop the radio. Come on, guys. Ow! No! No! My chance are on the train! Dang it! Wait, I need a ride. Wait. Okay, my car's not gone yet. Run! Let's just open our safe. I think I got one. We didn't rob anything, but we are gonna rob it. We are gonna rob it, trust me, guys. We're going to the bank. And you may be thinking, that's not the bank. But I have my own little thing that I do to get to the bank. Wait, let me see. Hey, you know the Ready Player One event, guys? Yep. That's where the waterfall was. I really didn't know where it was, so yeah. I sucked at jailbreak. I'm serious. Back then, when I was like, let's say 9. I'm 11 right now, so yep. But I sucked. Oh my goodness. Do you think we should rob the bank? You know what? I'm just gonna let it go smooth like everyone else does, and dang it. We're gonna have to run, guys. I don't know how to get my car out of the trench. Well, I do, but... Oh, we can get for a ride, dang it. They keep going. If anyone wants to play Jailbreak with me, they can go ahead and play. Oh no. I wasn't gonna rob the bank. Oh. Can we get in? Please hope someone's up there. I don't think no one's up. I'm the only one. All the way up. This now opens a 1, 2, 3 spot. Sorry, place the dynamite, luckily. Probably. Whoa, where? Someone there? Oh my. Never mind, it's not the police. See? I just like doing this thing where oh, he went out of the shot. Hi! Oh, someone said hi in the chat. No. Yeah. Go, go! Guys, it's gonna open. Oh my gosh, you can just watch a video, guys, because this is gonna take forever. 9, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1! Okay, guys. Boom! Shipping player must place this on. Place it. Place it. Place it. Dude, place the dynamite. Oh my. Oof. Jeez. Got that. Boom. Did I set off the alarm? Oh my goodness. Goonies! I think I set off the alarm. Goonies! Goonies! Oh my god. Shoot. Whatever, guys. Can't escape like this, but people haven't finished robbing yet. Ooh, someone died. Ooh! I'm about to be dead! Shoot! Well, that's all for today, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna make a longer one next time. See ya! Peace.